Hi Cs50, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you my week-0 project. Well, first of all, let's start with search page. For example, I write Harvard to see the result. Well, it's worked without any problems, and I go back to the previous page and test the I'm feeling lucky button. And this worked. I go to the image search to test it too. Well, I'm writing Harvard again for the test, and it worked well. Well, to test the last page, we go to advanced search. If I write something in the first part, it will search for it. For example, Harvard, search, and I go back. If I want to find an important word in my text, in my search text, I have to use the second part as well. For example, Harvard Cs50. If I want to compare something, I have to use the third part. For example, I write PS5 or Xbox, and you can see the result. And if I don't want to show a word in my search, I use the last part. For example, I write Harvard without building Cs50. You can see the result. As you can see, all pages of this project are responsive